like how much risk are you willing to stay in for Tesla?
All risk.
Risk it all?
Risk it
how
all.
you like how you asked me that question earlier? Like what's your what's your plan? When are you gonna sell Lucid? And I said, explain selling to me like I'm a sperm cell.
No, but you said this
30.
was it
So
Friday?
we'll talk about that. We'll talk about that later. Actually, Lucid is part of today's menu. So welcome to Daddy Bits, your trade idea show hosted by yours truly, the Trading Daddies. I am your host, the Master Crayon Eater, and as always, my amazing co-host.
What's going on? St. John over here.
St. John! So if you guys want to know why it's now St. John, is because earlier he texted me, and we text throughout the day because we're looking for trade ideas. We're talking about the show. We're talking about life in general. And I go, what are you doing today? And he goes, I'm doing the Lord's work. I don't even know what that means. So I said, all right, so we're changing your name to St. John.
I'm volunteering. I'm one of the apostles now.
Oh man. It was a very interesting day in the market. We got rug pulled fat.
Yeah, what was that?
I don't know. You know what's very interesting? Because it happened yesterday too. A lot of the plays got rug pulled.
Yeah, and it happened towards the end too.
Yeah, it happens towards the end. So a lot of the plays that we got rug pulled on are now like recovering after hours. I think what it is certain valuations have gotten to a level where people really want to get in, but really want to get good value, and they understand that we're not going to get that same value like 3 weeks ago. So drive it to the ground as much as they can and then ride it all the way up. And for some reason, the plays that I'm looking at right now and the swings that I'm currently in are running after hours. Very interesting, right? But if you guys are interested in knowing how we take a look at these plays and know what to hold and what to fold, make sure you guys hit up our friends over at Bust Down Academy, bustdowninvestments.com. You're looking at a guy that believes in Shiba, just like how Crocs is a big deal to Justin Bieber. Bust Down Academy, bustdowninvestments.com.
Bang, bang. Bang, bang, bang. That was a good one. What's going on with Shiba, man?
What's not going on with Shiba?
Didn't it hit like...
So there's a rumor right now that Robinhood is about to list it.
Wasn't that confirmed?
I don't know if it's confirmed. Rumor has it it's November 1st. I personally don't care because I bought it on Coinbase. Also, Coinbase, can I say something, Coinbase? You guys are ass. Why is on the day that it's running where a lot of people could essentially drive up the price a lot higher, why is your platform down?
Man, that sounds like
giving me Robinhood vibes.
Yeah, you're giving me Robinhood vibes.
You're good. Even Coinbase Pro was down.
Was it?
Your Pro platform was down. Like I couldn't get in. Like your Pro, it was annoying.
Really?
Yeah, it was extremely annoying. I couldn't get in at all.
Can you get in now?
No, I mean now. I actually added to buy more Shiba.
You're a savage.
Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, hit that post notification bell, because if you guys gave us a thumbs down, John. Oh, hit the thumbs up.
No.
Sing it like St. John.
Yo. Mama's home.
You know that note. I was expecting you to sing it like a monk. Your mom's home. Drop down in the comment section for little songs you guys want us to cover. And with that being said, let's get to it after this intro. In the spirit of singing like a monk, member gains. I'm getting to a point where I'm going to start singing this in different ways. So let's take a look at some member gains today. We had some very solid gains today too. From collectively as a team, we did pretty well. St. John hit NVIDIA. St. John from yesterday's short plus 647. Best name ever. Best St. Teflon John. Can we do that? Is that possible? Because not only are you doing the Lord's work,
it's better if you do St. John because I feel holy. Huh?
I know, but isn't that part of your holy powers to be bulletproof?
You know what? How do I change my name again?
Let me see if I can change it for you. Want me to change it?
Go ahead.
Let me change this real quick here.
I like how it says, "Suck it, Robinhood." Damn, 100%er. Great job on that one.
I know, right? Saint Teflon John.
Imagine if you had 10 of those.
I know, but again, that was an earnings play that I didn't want to get over leveraged on.
Yeah.
There you go. There's your new name.
Saint
Teflon John. Let's take a look at other earnings. I mean, not earnings. Jay Speeds, the captain.
Here we go. King Ezekiel himself.
Oh, you really did it to him last night. Oh, man. He's not watching this anyway. So
he doesn't watch this anyways. That's fine.
650 on some Tesla.
You can talk all kinds of smack.
Oh, man. You still you made money on NVIDIA on both sides, okay?
On the short, yeah. That was pretty funny.
Jay hit it back with a 30-second workday. Knowledge, 180 on Affirm with $30 on AMD. Terry hit that Prague. My boy Bruce. Shout out to Bruce, new member. But I've known Bruce for quite some time now. I've known him for about almost 8-9 years. Good guy. Really awesome dude. Hit someone for NVIDIA. Hit some on the Qs. Oh, here we go again. The Rookie of the Year, Andrew, Asian boy, $5,100.
I like how it says multiple in the money.
Multiple in the money. It's just going at it, just savage.
Could be 1025, 1050s, 1075s.
Right. Penny Mo hit $122,000 on Shiba today, so he just closed that position out. So, can you just FOMO buy something, John?
I'm trying, and it says connection.
You're really trying.
Wrong with the connection.
You're really trying.
It says we're having connection issues. We're looking into it right now. Please quit the app and try again. Your funds are safe. Don't worry.
Coinbase, man. Coinbase. All right, let's
giving me Robinhood vibes over here.
I know you're giving me really good, like mid 2020 Robinhood vibes. Let's take a look at the stocks that we want to cover for today. The first one reported earnings, and we were completely wrong on these earnings. John.
Ford.
Something that I don't like Ford cars to begin with. It's just not my shtick.
Hey, guess what? After putting back they reinstated dividends again, so they're going to start paying out, I believe, 15 cents a share. That's what I read. So they did beat earnings, and they actually did pretty well earnings, believe it or not. Yeah. So
this chart was Q3, ready to come down a lot more.
I know, and look at what happened with GM. Took a crap, right? And then they were blaming chip shortage. But Ford actually just plowed right through it. So Ford did about for sales, I'm looking at it right now. They did $35 billion in sales compared to 32 estimate. And then EPS, they did beat EPS as well. Overall, it was just great. Earnings for Ford. They're up about 8% from when it closed. So this one right here, if you look at intraday, obviously the reaction of these investors, quote unquote investors / traders, was a positive one. And for some reason Tesla's running after hours too. I'm not sure if they're correlated or not, but for Ford tomorrow, obviously this is going to be a gap up. It actually broke all-time highs for the year. Okay, because all-time high for the year is 1670. Okay, we're at 1687, so most likely this is going to gap up. do expect a little sell-off because people will take profits and then try to bring it back down to around 1670.
Yep.
Okay. And then for that one, I'm actually thinking about putting Ford in my dividend portfolio now.
Yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense.
Because it pays roughly about 2.5% to 3%.
Makes sense. This is a very unpopular opinion amongst us too. It's popular for me, but it's unpopular for you. Guess who reports earnings next week?
What, AMC?
And guess what my theory is? Not financial advice, but my theory is they might reinstate the dividend.
With what revenue? No one's going to the movie theaters.
Hey, watch. If they do reinstate the dividend, John, if they announce next week that Adam Aaron, the goateest of all CEOs, if he says that we're reinstating the dividend, don't you think it's going to have the same run up?
I'll give you odds 1 to 2.
1 to 2. 1 to 2. All right.
Oh, also, just want to make it clear, I'm still taking bets. Tesla's gonna have a split. Doesn't matter if it's 2 to 1, 5 to 1, 20 to 1. Split by February 28th.
Nice. Will you take SHIB for that bet?
Yes.
Okay.
Send it.
Yes. Go ahead. Mark me down.
So far, I got 2 people on this one.
Mark me down.
Oh. Really?
Yeah. Mark me down.
75 gets you $50.
75, 1 to 2. No, put me down for a Billy Boy.
A what?
A Billy Boy.
Who's that?
Put me down for a Benjamin Franklin.
So 100 gets you 75?
I'll take that.
Okay. I'll put that down. I'll text D.
Yeah.
Fucking
hater. He'll take that one too. He
did. He's on it. He was the first one to hop on.
All right. Let's clarify the terms of the deal here. Am I betting that AMC will?
Oh, I thought you were talking about Tesla. I'm not talking about AMC.
Oh, what the hell? No.
Moving on. What were we talking about?
We'll talk about this later.
So anyways, Ford is Ford's going to gap up tomorrow, and then it's going to come down. I mean, most likely there's going to be sellers, and they're going to try to bring it down back to 1670 for a gap fill. That's just my take on that one. But I am putting this one on my dividend portfolio. It looks good.
Nice. It does.
I like the lightning.
I mean, it's all right. The next stock that we want to cover is Affirm. John, what happened with Affirm today?
You tell me. I don't know what happened with the firm, but Lending Club put out some great earnings. So I think Lending Club is actually pushing everyone else, after hours. Upstart had a slight bounce. SoFi had a slight bounce. Affirm had a slight bounce. Well, I don't want to say slight bounce. It's up 2.5% after hours. So this one right here, I took a short position. The reason being is that it's sitting at the EMA 9, and it actually broke. Okay, but the thing is, after hours, it's going to screw it up for me for tomorrow because what I'm praying for is a red day tomorrow.
And this bounce right here.
Yeah, it completely bounced, and I'm not sure why or how. Maybe it's because of Lending Club. Lending Club ran, by the way. And for this one right here, if it breaks the EMA 9, I will cover on the 20. Okay, I have about 5 contracts. I'm quite heavy on this one, so if it doesn't go out my way for tomorrow, then I might have to start trimming and maybe reposition my puts on this one. I do have, I think, a month and a week, so 5 weeks out on this one.
I think that should be a viable play. Might be a slight bounce tomorrow, but look at the chart. It's ready to come down even more. Yeah, right. The next stock that we're going to cover, it has a very, very big catalyst on the horizon, which is Lucid. Lucid earlier stated that they are about to deliver cars on Saturday. They're about to deliver cars on Saturday, and we have some very bullish movements this morning. It reached a top of $28.90 something, 97. We're ready for that 29 move, right? Let me see real quick here. Just one second. We almost hit that 29 move, and then it flushed towards
because
the middle of the day. Yeah, because the market also flushed, right? So interestingly enough, right, when they get deliveries for the cars, they will have like a quote unquote Lucid rally that all the new owners will participate in, and it's going to kind of showcase what the Dream Air is capable of. And what's happening after hours, it's running after hours, which is really good. Kind of excited about that in general. So I am still holding on to my my calls. But that's pretty much it for Lucid. John, you want to add anything else?
Hey, just want to let you know, Lucid, was it Lucid Dream?
Yeah.
That they're delivering? They're about $170,000 a pop.
Expensive.
Yeah. Like it comes with a diamond encrusted pimp cup inside.
Oh, I mean, because you have to feel like a pimp when you're riding around in a dream. All right. That is
diamond encrusted pimp cup.
Man, I miss that guy sometimes.
I know.
I miss that guy. That's Jay's
best
friend.
He's still alive.
I'm hoping that he is. All right. If you guys found that information useful, make sure that you guys hit the subscribe button, hit that post notification bell, give us a nice thumbs up, because John, if they give us a thumbs down, drop down in the comment section below the stocks you guys want us to cover. Did you just Farnsworth yourself to this?
The youngins don't know what I just did.
No. I like the way you move. Drop that in the comment section below stocks you guys want us to cover, right? Don't forget to hit up our social media. Follow me at Trading Poppy. Follow John at John C Trades. Trading Daddies for the both of us. TradingDaddies.com for all your news, your merch, right? And also don't forget to hit up our friends over at Bustdown Academy, bustdowninvestments.com. New to trading, don't know where to start, or just want to join a group of active traders that have your best interests at heart. Make sure you guys hit up our friends over at Bustdown Academy, bustdowninvestments.com. With that being said, let's get trading, guys. And remember that the charts do not lie.
Yeah.